How to sign up for a new account on the Ring app. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily sign up for a new account. So first off, open up your Ring application. And from here, if you already have an account, you can tap on the sign in option to simply sign into your account. But if you're new, tap on create account. You're going to have to give your first name and last name here. Then tap on continue. Then select the country that you live in. So you can select from any one of these countries. Tap on continue again and enter your email address. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter my email address here. Once you have entered your email address, you can re-enter it. So just go ahead and copy this and you can paste it here as well. Once you've copied, tap down here and then paste your email address. Tap on continue. Now you're going to have to create a password. It must have at least 8 characters, include uppercase and lowercase letters, include numbers, and include at least one symbol. Once you've created your password and confirmed it, tap on create account, and it will send you a verification code on your email, and you should be able to simply log into it. As you can see, the email address has already been used to create an account, so I'm just go ahead and log in. Or if you are doing this for the first time, you could just go ahead and enter the code that you get on your email and you should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.